vlog. I thought I would pick up the camera to vlog on this fine Friday night. I'm not really up to much, which is why I picked up the camera to talk to you guys to pass some time because I'm waiting for my Thai food delivery. The best way to do Friday night is to treat yourself with delivery food, so that's what I'm doing. Kind of cleaned up my place too and lit up a candle. Just started a new candle. It is called Voluspa's Baltic Amber. I tried to pick up a scent that's more nighttime because I also started using this candle, which is also from Voluspa because they sent me a PR package. I love getting candle PRs because I genuinely use candles all the time and I go through a candle maybe every 2 weeks, which is a lot. And it's because my apartment is so small and my living room space is right next to my kitchen, so whatever I cook, it just takes over the entire house, so I need the candle to be on at all times. This one's a very fruity scent, which is perfect for the morning time, but just felt like wasn't the vibe for the nighttime. This one's more cozy and screams nighttime to me. I also rearranged my apartment last night, and I'm liking this a lot more. I asked you guys what you guys liked better when I first moved into the house and when I first got the couch, and this was option 1 and the option 2 was turning the couch this way, but I just felt like the table was being too suffocated into this corner and I did not like that. This just feels more open and I like it a lot more. The only problem is it's a little bit difficult to watch TV. I might end up moving the TV inside my bedroom. That's going to solve all my problems because I can just watch TV inside my room in bed, which sometimes I crave to do. And I won't have to worry about this couch being at an awkward space. I'll just use this couch when I have people over, when I'm watching stuff on my iPad, just lounging. I ordered my boyfriend a bunch of clothes from Elwood. A lot of people ask me like what's a good menswear brand. I honestly don't know that much either, but Elwood I've been seeing a lot. I believe they're based in LA, so a lot of LA locals love and support this brand. They're very simple. They do a lot of just basic tees and like simple Elwood embroidery. All of these short sleeves, they look the same but they're different designs, which is amazing. So if you have a specific preference, you can look for what you like. So some of them are shorter, some of them are more boxy. The materials feel different too. This is like a rougher cotton. This is a very smooth cotton. Oh! You're a new man. That's cute. I think this is like a cropped, like a shorter fit. It's so cute.
오, 몇개 시켰어?
많이 시켰어. This is like a new salad thing that I've never tried.
Salad? Eat more veggies.
Pad Thai. Chicken kebab little thingy. But like, this is... Cheers. I hope this Hello Kitty socket tastes good. Tastes like nail polish remover. Oh.
I like it. We look alike now.
No, we don't. I don't think it's raining.
I've been saying it's not raining.
We're all ready to go out. We're planning on getting some food. It's already 12. Oh my lord.
We did wake up pretty early.
Yeah, we woke up pretty early, but we just took our time waking up and getting ready, and we're now gonna get... And we're also waiting for the rain to stop, and I think it did stop. We're gonna go get bagels, and this place always have really long line. This place always had... I can't grammar these things. This place always has...
Always has, yes.
Has. This place always has a really long line, but I'm hoping that it's shorter today because it's raining and a lot of people probably don't want to be out because in LA, once it rains, plans are cancelled, restaurants are closing.
They're putting on flood watch.
They're putting on a flood watch.
So
yeah, fingers crossed because I'm really hungry. Haley and I have very similar perfume tastes.
Very.
So whenever she comes over, she's like exploring. So I want to wear something that she wants to smell.
That one.
The Kylie Jenner.
Yes. It smells really good.
This is Kylie Jenner's new perfume. And it's been all over social media because like a lot of celebrities been like, oh, it's so good. Right off the bottle, it smells really sweet. So at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I like that because sweet scents trigger a headache in me like really quickly.
Yeah.
But I tried it on after seeing TikToks of people being like, oh, it actually smells a lot better once it develops on your skin. And I think it's true.
Let me smell it. I loved it, like smelling it.
Like you have to smell it like 5 minutes later. And I think it will smell more like skin.
Soak in.
Yeah, more skin and like more like I don't even know. I hate describing scents because what am I supposed to say?
He's right there.
You like it?
I like it.
Let's show them what we got. This is the peanut butter, almond butter, and this is strawberry rose jam. This is whitefish salad. And then this is beautiful. We waited a long time for these, so I was like, I'm just gonna order everything I want to eat. I feel like I want to save the almond butter for last. Let's try like the savory ones. The bagel is so thin.
Yeah.
Like this is criminal actually.
And even this breakfast
It's good. This one's so good. You like it?
It's so good.
Oh, this one's really good. Camera conveniently died. I thought I changed the battery to a charged one, but apparently it wasn't charged. We're checking out this vintage market.
That Kelly saw like randomly.
Yeah, we saw a poster. So we're like, we should check it out because it was really close.
Yeah.
So we're walking into something that we have no idea.
I'm a little scared.
So yeah, it's
Is
kind
it
of
like
scary.
a house?
Wait, you know what I realized when I was paying for my stuff earlier?
What?
Was that I had $40 in my Venmo account that I wasn't aware of. So God knows how long that's been in there.
Wow.
But I had free $40.
No, for real. So you only spent $10.
So I spent $10. Girl math. Not yet? He has a verse where he spits. Oh, he spits? His voice is just good. I know, right? Like, my friend is hosting a birthday night at a wine bar in K-Town, so getting dressed. I'm going with my boyfriend. I'm a little scared that it's gonna be cold because this is going to be at an outside patio, I believe, at the wine bar. And the last time I was at like a rooftop party, I was freezing my butt off. So I just want to be prepared this time. And it was even cold during the daytime, so I'm just imagining how cold it would be right now. So I decided to be extra cautious. I'm wearing this white base tee from Aloe. I've just been wearing this all day, and that's really not supposed to show, so it's irrelevant. I have this fluffy vest to keep me warm. It is so warm. I'm actually about to sweat in this right now. It's from Oakenfort. I'm wearing skinny jeans because I'm kind of into wearing skinny jeans with riding boots these days. For my jacket, I'm gonna wear my leather jacket from Glowny. This is why I say that white layer is kind of irrelevant because I don't want it to show. This Kylie Jenner perfume is so strong that it's going strong after like 12 hours, so I won't be reapplying that. Maybe I'll do this in my hair. This is actually supposed to be a hair mist. That's why it's so tiny, but it spurts in my hair.
Sunrise, sunset. But that's later. Artful and affordable. Museum?
Here to check out an art museum like our car told us to. We're so obedient. I feel like the past times we did the scratch off cards, we're like, but we don't want to, and like we don't actually end up doing it. And there's a Lalabo store. Sorry. I'm sorry. But I saw my friend Jade visit this museum called House and Worth. It's probably not pronounced that way. Jade, if you're watching this, thanks for the idea. Part 2 of our Sunday date is indulging in my favorite food. Have you ever had 엽떡 and honey combo together?
Nope.
Oh, you're about to experience heaven.
Sheesh.
I ate the most random lunch today because I had to dispose all the leftovers before I leave for New York. I'm going to New York tomorrow, which I'll talk about more later. But I actually wanted to give you guys a heated room review of the hot Pilates. I always tell my friends that it's worth giving it a try if you've never tried. I also think it's such an LA thing. So if you're in LA, you should try it out. But personally, it's not a workout that I would go to regularly. Like I would go once a month, maybe if I want that sweat. I say that because I think 70% of the class is made up of either visitors or people who are trying it for the first time. I feel like there aren't that many attenders that are like regulars. That's how I feel every time I go in. 70% of the room actually doesn't really know what's going on, and that kind of throws me off. Like I feel more stable going into a Pilates studio where most people are regular attendees and they know what's going on. And the way the workout class works too, it's very dark in there and the instructor is just at the front demonstrating. But if you're in the back of the class, you can't really see what's going on, so you're just like peeking your head out, and that kind of drives me crazy. But once in a while I enjoy it, and once in a while it's fun to be around people that like just radiate LA energy. Are they actual LA people? Are they visitors? I don't know, but you will definitely see it once you walk into the studio. And that also, I love observing people, and I love observing what people are wearing. And I was so surprised today because in that studio there's like 20 people and like 90% of the people there are wearing aloe. No Lululemon in sight. It's either aloe and the rest of the 10% would be like Set Active or TNA. And I thought that was a very interesting thing to report to people who don't live in LA, because I see TikToks of people being like, I feel like aloe is just like an influencer brand where only influencers wear it and not a lot of like real people wear it. But in LA, people only wear aloe, and that's what I mean too. The demographic of heated Pilates, heated room is very much the aloe trendy LA girls demographic. I feel like aloe's going to be officially open in Korea soon. Like I sense it with Jisoo being the ambassador and a lot more Korean people loving the brand. So if anyone from future Aloe Korea's watching, I volunteer to be your model and to be the spokesperson for the brand, because I feel like I've truly seen the brand since the start, like 2019, maybe even before that, since high school, and I still love aloe and I would be a great person. Alright, it is packing time. I made a list of the days that I'll be spending in New York. I also made note of the weather. I think I need 1 travel fit, 1 pajamas, lounge clothes, 3 everyday fit, and 1 dinner fit, just in case I want to grab dinner with friends in New York. So like a nicer outfit. I don't need 3 separate outfits, but maybe enough items so I can make 3 different combinations of outfits. I just went through my closet and picked out pieces that I think I want to wear. From here, I'm going to try making outfits. So pairing different pants, tops, throwing in little white tees to really complete the fit. And then we're gonna go from there. I think I'm pretty much done with the packing part. I leave tomorrow at around 9 a.m. so I'll have time in the morning to pack up last minute things. I usually like to pack skincare and makeup last minute because most likely I'll be using those things until the last minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I think I have fun filming all of my vlogs, but this one specifically felt really fun for me. I don't know what it is. So I hope that fun energy can pass through the screen and reach you guys. I'll be vlogging in New York also, so I'm so excited to share that journey with you and take you guys through my first modeling gig in New York City. I'm so excited. Did I even say that? I'll be going to New York for a modeling job. We'll talk more about that in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.